worldwide demand for EVs is at an all-time high. From about 17,000 electric cars on world's roads in 2010, today electric car sales have surpassed 3 million globally. The Indian auto industry has been very receptive to the idea of going electric. India's National Electric Mobility Mission Plan (NEMMP 2020) puts into perspective concerted efforts for green mobility and electric cars. With charging infrastructure getting set up through both private and government channels, 90% car owners in India are willing to switch to EVs. MG is pioneering this change in India with its ZS EV, India's first pure electric internet SUV that boasts of the largest ultra-high density and high-tech EV battery, which is technologically superior and complies with the most stringent safety standards. The sales of the MG ZS EV has created history in the EV domain in India. MG's tie-ups with a number of renowned partners to provide a host of charging options across the country and for responsible recycling of EV batteries is yet another effort to help build a progressive India. This series of videos talks about the following topics: the inside-out exploration of MG ZS EV's exterior and interiors, internet connectivity of ZS EV iSmart 2.0, MG ZS EV's safety features, battery quality, charging infrastructure, battery's second life and recycling, total cost of owning an MG ZS EV, and residual value. Stay tuned for all videos about the MG ZS EV.